Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a huge Sephora haul. I have not one but two of the Sephora big bags and I can't wait to show you everything I got. Today's video is sponsored by Sephora, which is amazing. The Sephora savings event is going on right now, so this is the best time of year to shop at Sephora, especially with the holidays around the corner. And you'll see I'm already thinking the holidays. I'm already checking people off of my list with this particular Sephora haul. The Sephora savings event is happening right now. All of the products I'm about to feature in today's video, you can shop at Sephora and Sephora.com. Of course, I have them all linked in the description box, so please check the description box for all of the links and all of the information you need. I even added on there my full face of makeup that I'm wearing today, which happens to be a lot of my Sephora favorites at the moment, so definitely check it out. As far as the details on the event, you must be a Sephora Beauty Insider to shop the event. Rouge clients get 20% off from October the 31st until November 10th. VIBs get 15% off from November 4th until November the 10th. And insiders get 10% off from November 4th until November the 10th. Now, all throughout the event, meaning from October the 31st to November 10th, everyone can shop Sephora collection 30% off. The code at checkout in order to get your discount is the word everything, the way it is written right here on the screen. If you're not a Sephora Beauty Insider yet, I left you the sign up link down below in the description box. Definitely sign up so you can take advantage of the discounts. And don't forget to take advantage of options like buy online, pick up in store, and same day delivery. Again, all of the details of everything are in the description box. Now let me show you what I got. First things first, I have a couple fragrances I want to show you. I don't need any more fragrances. I have quite a large collection that I want to use and get through because I love them all, but sometimes you just want to try something else. I love different fragrances, and so I've told myself if I purchase a fragrance, it has to be a small size. So with that said, the first product I want to show you is another Kylie fragrance. This one here is Kylie's Yum Bougie Marshmallow, and people rave about this one, and it's a sweet gourmand fragrance, so I wanted to smell it. I do also really love the fact that Kylie sells these beautiful tiny fragrance bottles, which in my opinion makes getting a small size fragrance really exciting because you still get the nice bottle even if it's in a little size. It's sweet but delicate at the same time. It's very feminine. I just looked it up and it says that the main notes on this one are fresh strawberries, whipped vanilla cream, and flaky coconut. It smells really good. And even though it has coconut, I wouldn't consider this one a summer scent. For me, it's definitely more fall winter. It is beautiful. Another fragrance I got my hands on was this one here. It is by Harlem Perfume Co. and it is called Showgirl Eau de Parfum. Now this one's described as a fresh floral, and that happens to be one of my favorite categories of scents. I remember reading details of it on the website and being very excited about it, so let's see if it lives up to what I pictured in my mind. Oh my god. This reminds me of my childhood. This one is a strong, fresh floral scent. It's intoxicating and it is sexy. The keynotes on this one are fizzy mandarin, lavender diva, and golden amber. I think the amber is so sexy in this one. They describe this one as an amber floral fragrance that defies time, blending the sophistication of a vintage floral bouquet with the fearless edge of modern sensuality. This one for me would be a nighttime fragrance. It is so sexy. I kind of bought it on a whim because I was excited about it and it surprised me how good this is. Okay, next thing out of the bag is this right here from Sephora collection. This is the Sephora collection Pro Brush number 40, and I got this one because it has a really unique shape and it's been a while since I tried a new Sephora collection foundation brush, and this one intrigued me. Take a look at how fun the shape of this one is. It has a flat base, comes to a tiny pinch at the top. It looks a bit triangular if you look at it from this angle, and it is also slanted. It feels firm but soft at the same time, and it's really dense. So I feel like this would be a fantastic foundation brush, and so I really wanted to try it. I'll definitely let you know in a future video about the performance of this one, but it looks really nice for foundation. One of those brushes that leaves no streaks behind and give you a really beautiful coverage. I'm excited to try it. The next one I got, and this is a theme with a lot of the products I'll show you today, is to take it apart and put it in Christmas presents for different people in my life. So I got this right here. This is the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash to Go. This is a sampler set, and then you get a voucher in here for a full size of your favorite mascara. So you can gift this to one person in your life, and it is a beautiful gift of basically 6 different mascaras, 5 small ones and 1 full size, or you can do what I did and be greedy about it. I'm going to split this apart between my friends and family, and I kept the voucher so that I can redeem it for my favorite mascara. Here are the 5 different small size mascaras that you get in that sampler. Roller Lash from Benefit, Idol Flutter Extension from Lancome, which is amazing, YSL Lash Clash Mascara, Tartelette Mascara from Tarte, and the newish Exaggerized Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. I have tried all of these mascaras and all of them are honestly fantastic. Now I do know what my favorite one is from these, and that is the Exaggerized Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. So I redeemed my voucher for the Exaggerized Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. Now mind you, the price of the Exaggerized Mascara from Charlotte Tilbury is $29. The price of this gift right here is also $29. So I basically got all of this for free, and I didn't even pay the $29 because I got the 20% off discount. It is a no-brainer. These types of gifts right here are a no-brainer. Moving right along with another Christmas present, and this one I am not going to take apart, okay? This is my mother-in-law's Christmas present. I've honestly been getting her this for the past 3 years in a row, so she'll probably see it coming, but she loves fragrance, and I love to give her the option of choosing what she likes. So this year I got her this right here, which is the Deluxe Perfume Sampler Set. This has a $95 price, and this also comes with a voucher inside for a free full size of whichever one she likes best. So she can choose between Juliette Hazegan, Fleur, Clean Reserve, Replica, Rabanne, and Carolina Herrera. I think she might go for this one because she's already had this in the past and she's loved it. She's finished it. And I went with this set this year because I already know she loves that one, and because the bigger sets have tiny little vials of the different fragrances, and then you can pick your favorite. But I figured this one would be more fun for her because you actually have pretty decent sizes of all of these fragrances in here. So nobody tell her, but this is my mother-in-law's Christmas present this year, and I love it. This is another one where you get all of this for free because the voucher will go to a full-size fragrance, and sometimes the fragrances are even higher in price than what you paid for this. Another no-brainer gift. I love gifting things like this. The next thing is this right here. This is the Sol de Janeiro Spritz the Season set. You have 5 different body sprays in here. Check it out right here. They even put in there a little sample of their vitamin infused lotion, and then you have 5 different 1 ounce body sprays in here, all of which are super yummy. And I did purchase this one with the intention of taking them apart and gifting them to different people in my life. 5 mascaras, 5 body sprays. See what I'm doing there? Absolutely love this. $39, a $50 value, and I got 20% off of it. Another holiday set I found incredibly fantastic is this right here from Ole Henriksen. This is their Pout 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 set, and you get 3 minis of the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. You guys know I am obsessed with these. I love to use them on their own, and I even love to use them on top of lipstick just to juice things up, add hydration and shine. Unbeatable. Take a look right there, and it smells so delicious as well. Obviously, this is my personal one. So I got not 1, but 2 of these Pout 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 sets because, once again, I'm breaking them apart, giving them to different people. And so I needed 2 boxes. I do want to open it though to show you what's inside and to show you the size of these compared to the full size, because I feel like these are pretty big. So here's what it looks like once you open it. And here's one of those little ones versus the full size. This little one is 0.25 fluid ounces versus the big ones are 0.4 fluid ounces. So this is more than half of the big one, and you are getting 3 of this small one for $29 minus your discount when these big ones retail for $23. So it's honestly a fantastic deal, and since my 2 sets brought 6 and I'm making 5 different gifts, I get to keep one. I'm keeping strawberry sorbet because I didn't have this one. It smells really good. Next, I got this set right here from Josie Maran. This is their bite-sized butters set, and you get 3 different of their mini size whipped body butters. I have been obsessing over these body butters for so long now. I've been using them for at the very least a full year, and I honestly feel like the texture and hydration of these body butters is better, in my humble personal opinion, than a lot of the other body butters I have tried, and so I wanted to share the love, and I got a set of 3 to gift away. My favorite scent, by the way, if you only want to try one, is this one right here. This is the amber and white musk scent. It's called Golden Hour, and it smells like fancy fragrance. It smells so good. I love fragrances that smell musky and ambery, so it's no surprise to me that this would be my favorite. Anyways, if anyone wants to just try it, you can get just a mini one for yourself, and this is $16. Or if you want to try all of the different scents, this right here is $36. The next product I couldn't stop raving about in my shop with me video recently, and of course I had to get some. I got not 1 but 2 of the Rare Beauty Lash and Brow gift set. This is such an amazing deal. In this set, you get a full size of the Rare Beauty eyebrow gel, which is my personal obsession. I feel like it leaves my brows the best ever. I cannot do my eyebrows without this product right here. And you get a small size of the Rare Beauty mascara. You get this for $23, and this on its own is $19. So I stocked up. I got 2, and I love the Rare Beauty mascara as well. This mascara is fantastic, and for $4 extra, it's a no-brainer. Plus, you get your discount on top, so very happy with my purchases if you can't tell. And yes, I got 2 because I cannot live without the Rare Beauty eyebrow gel, and I'm not sharing that with anyone. This next one piqued my interest because I love Paula's Choice, and so I grabbed one for myself. This is the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Gloss Balm. I love lip balms like this one in particular, the Ole Henriksen ones, and so this one intrigued me and I want to try it. This doesn't only just have the peptides in it, but it also has collagen in it. I'm super tempted to try it right now, but I also don't want to take off my lip combos, so I'll keep you updated on how I feel about this one. I got something else from Rare Beauty that I find to be very unique and I have been eyeing for a while, and I finally made my choice on which ones I wanted to try. When Rare Beauty launched their fragrance, which I really love, they also launched these right here, and these are fragrance layering balms, and they have different scents in it that modify your fragrance one way or another. Now they have 4 total. I got 2. They have a sweet one, which I believe has vanilla notes in it. They have a fresh one, and then they have the 2 I got, which are the woody one and the floral one. And I got these not just to layer with my Rare Beauty scent, which I will do, but also to layer with other fragrances in my collection. I love woody notes, and I sometimes want my fragrances to smell a little bit more woody, so I would use this for that. And then the other way I lean is floral. I sometimes want my fragrance to smell a little bit more feminine, and so I got this for that. The other one I was highly considering was the sweeter one, but I already have a lot of fragrances that smell pretty sweet, so I don't feel like I would want them sweeter, so I went for these 2 right here. Now this is not only going to slightly change the fragrance you choose to pair with it, but it also will make your fragrance last longer, because it's like you're spraying the fragrance on top of a primer sort of product. And honestly, even on their own, they smell so good. I just put the floral one on here, and I'm putting the woody one on here. Oh my god, they are perfection. I could wear these on their own too. These are so good. Oh wow. This is going to be so much fun because I'm about to start experimenting with all of my fragrances and these right here. The next product is the last product, and it's actually a restock, and one that I'm very excited about because I am fully out of it, and this is going in my shower immediately. And that is this right here from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Delicia Drench Shower Oil from Sol de Janeiro. And when I tell you I currently cannot live without this product, my skin feels like I lathered it with moisturizer when I get out of the shower, and all I did was use this shower oil right here. It is so hydrating and it smells so freaking amazing. First of all, I am petitioning Sol de Janeiro to come out with different scents of this, because what do you mean you only have it in the Shea Rosa 59? I feel like they need to expand the shower oil into all of their different scents, because the formulation and the hydration of this shower oil is incredible. So they need to give us different options, okay? Anyways, I highly recommend that you try this shower oil. Not only will you get out of the shower very beautifully fragrant, but your skin feels on another level of moisturization. Take it from me, I am super dry and I feel like I've already lathered my skin in moisturizer when I use this in the shower. It is incredible, it is amazing. I have been so sad for the past couple of weeks since I ran out of mine and so I am very excited to have this again. That is it, that was my last product. A huge thank you to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. Remember, I have all of the links to all of the products I purchased down below in the description box, along with all of the details in regards to the Sephora savings event. I also have my full face of makeup down there if you want to see anything I am wearing on my face or eyes. The code to get your discount at checkout is the word everything. And that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys like today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Before you leave, let me know in the comment section below the product that you're most excited about getting or restocking on. I'm nosy and I have a few days to shop still, so please let me know in the comment section what you guys are most excited about. I love you all so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye!